Hey, what's up? We're playing White Noise.
I don't like this.
Jacob's playing it. He's scared. He's scared. Aren't you scared, Jacob?
I'm gonna punch your tablet out your hand.
Okay, just keep going. Okay, we're gonna record him playing this. I'm gonna tell you something. It's gonna be funny. Okay, here's the footage of the game. Trying to get a better view for you guys. I'm telling you, you gotta watch your back. And don't run into him or he will get you.
Yeah, but he was right behind me. Okay, it's your turn, Aiden.
Okay. I'm scared. Make sure you videotape the game.
So what's up, guys? I just died. It's Aiden's turn. Let's see if he can do it. Woo!
Oh, stop.
Aiden's so scared right now. There's some footage. This is where I died there.
Okay, just record me. Hey, you're not even facing the TV.
I wish this had a front camera. Here, let me play if you're so scared.
Okay, we're gonna watch Jacob again. I am too scared to do this because this is the scariest game on Xbox that I ever played. Shut up! You know I'm putting this on YouTube?
I know Aiden doesn't play a lot of these games, but he is really scared.
Oh, shut up. You think I would play Five Nights at Freddy's 4? Definitely. And record me playing it.
You just
Already, choose your character already.
I'm gonna punch you.
I can see you, it's like a mirror.
Really, bro? Oh, I don't want to be here. I don't want to be here. I'm out.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this so you guys can actually see it. Bye. Don't look away from that thing. That green thing, you gotta look away from it or you die. He's looking at dildos. Oh, come on.
What the crap?
Crispy. Well, that's footage of us playing White Noise. See you guys in the next one. Bye.